Yeah,
good, eh?
I hear a shot. Could it be a bass? Is it a bass?
Yeah, it sounds like a bass.
Maybe it's a guitar, maybe it's a rock band coming from the sky.
Yeah,
Like
me
some
too,
new
I
rock
hear
band
it.
concert. You hear
Me
it
too,
too?
I hear it, yeah.
It's some concert maybe,
Yeah.
from a helicopter or some kind of
I don't
stage
know,
coming down.
Maybe there's a rock band in
No.
heaven. Yeah.
No, it's not heaven.
It's in Montreal. It's in Montreal.
Wait a minute. What year is this?
Is it 1986? Yeah, it's 86.
No, it's 2012 now.
So could it be this Nicky Six doing this music?
No, I think it could be the magnetic poles that they said, you know, for the end of the world thing there? That's doing this strange noise around the world.
It's good that we're going to the end of the world. Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, it's good. I like it.
Like this? Yeah,
I like it.
Yeah, but everything's gonna reverse.
He's good. We could rock and roll even more after.
I hear it. I keep hearing that noise. What do you make of it, Nick?
I don't know.
Going.
Very dumbfolding though.
I know. I don't know what it is though. It could be a magnetic pole, or could it be aliens?
In the heart of downtown too.
I'm getting this.
Wait, could it be devils, demons coming out of the earth?
Mate, no, what about it?
What do you mean, no?
Yeah, it could. Anything's possible. You want to see us rock and roll?
Well,
Yeah.
let's get the guitars and amps and mic, and we're gonna go sing anyway.
Get it started.
Yeah, okay. Perfect. Good.
Yeah. We're at the Olympic Stadium. Yeah, what's this? Olympic Stadium?
It's a concert.
Nick, do you hear that music?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, maybe it comes from the stadium, the big goal. Yeah,
Oh, it must be some concert. How come we didn't know about it? We know everything about metal.
Yeah, because we're cool and we need to get the chicks because they like to see us rockers rocking and roll at the Olympic Stadium.
I didn't know we had a concert. I didn't practice.
It's okay, we can headbang. Yeah.
That's what we do all the time.
Headbang and show the chicks that we're cool in the Olympic Stadium. Yeah.
That noise doesn't stop.
No, it keeps going and going. Maybe it's coming from the big O. Oh, Nick, you think there's a concert in the big O?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I think it's...
I'm starting to worry now.
No, it's a rock band. They're coming. They're telling us to...
What rock band?
I don't know. Vinnie Vincent? Dawkins? Rash?
It could be. Or Keel.
Yeah, maybe Ron Keel. Yeah, you guys are cool. We want you in the band. You come.
You mean the one rocking the big wheels?
Yeah.
Big wheels. Start rocking big wheels. Start banging.
Yeah.
And knock it.
All right.
All right.
Yeah.